Hi, it's Rosie. In one of my last video tutorials, I showed you how I love to refresh my hair utilizing the DevaCurl Ultra Defining Gel. That gel gives me the best hold while also giving me a flexible hold, so my hair is never crunchy or stiffy. But in today's video, I want to show you how not only can I achieve hold, but also the best definition in my hair utilizing the DevaCurl Ultra Defining Gel as well as the DevaCurl Styling Cream. Now this is the perfect combination duo, so keep watching to learn how I achieve these curls right here in my tutorial. So first what I'm going to do is apply some of the DevaCurl One Condition Delight as a leave-in conditioner to my hair. So my next step is to finger rake in the styling cream by DevaCurl into my hair, just like I did with the leave-in conditioner. And I only need to use just one pump of this. So now my next step is to apply the Ultra Defining Gel by DevaCurl into my hair. So this one is going to be a little bit different. I am going to be applying the gel in sections of my hair instead of finger raking it in. So that is one pump right there. And what I'm going to do is somewhat finger rake it into my hair, but then I'm going to smooth it on. And this is called the praying hands method. I grabbed all of my hair, I'm gonna cup it into my hand, and then I'm going to squish. You may or may not hear a squishing sound, but if you do, then that means that you have enough product and water into your hair for it to curl the way that you would like for it to curl. In a previous video, I did a tutorial on me getting the best hold with the DevaCurl Ultra Defining Gel. But when I combined it with the styling cream, I saw that I got not only hold, but a lot of definition to my hair, which is pretty much what we're seeing. That's the reason why I'm doing this video today. So this is pretty much the final product. I would say my hair in the back of my head could use probably about 20 more minutes of drying, but I just let that air dry. And yeah, these are the results, and I hope you enjoyed my tutorial for today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment below and share with me your tips on how you use other DevaCurl products to get the best definition and hold for your hair. Thanks for watching.